Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I am going to teach you how to do oblique stretches. And I got my tufts brushed, and I got my hair combed, for those of you that have complained about those things in the past. But if you've been sleeping on your side all night, like so many people do, including me, then your oblique muscles here on the side of your bod and towards the back, they may get very sore, and you may notice this especially in the morning. And so that's why every morning I get up and I stretch my bod, but first, before I stretch it, I roll on it using a wood roller. And these wood rollers from Lanaroller have natural latex rubber on the outsides of them, which gives an action, like a boing, boing action against your muscle tissues, which helps it to release them much better than a foam roller, believe me. So I'm going to show you how to use those right now. Okay, so that you can see the action of this on my skin, I've taken my shirt off. I hope that doesn't bother some of you. It's just skin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a latex yoga mat on the floor. That helps to give like stickiness on the floor, and for this to bond and, you know, not slip on the floor. So what I'm doing is I'm holding the outside of the roller so that it creates more action against my skin. It's kind of like on a treadmill, how you can turn the screw in against the wheel and create more friction against riding. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm holding it this way and rolling it the other way. And it needs to be like down there farther. You can hold it with either hand. You can hold it there. Oh, yeah. And you can roll to the inside. You can roll to the back more. And you can hold it with the other side. Here, I'm holding it back here on the other side too. Like that. Okay. And like I said, the natural latex rubber is so much better for releasing your muscle tissue. Okay, and you want to try and relax the muscles at the same time, which is not really easy to do. And sometimes you got to take a break on those muscles and go do some other ones because they're all interconnected. So now I'm going to work on these teres muscles. And then I'm going to roll forward to the pecs. Here I'm kind of working them both ways. See what I'm talking about? And this is a workout. This is a real workout for you. But you'll feel so much better after you've done it. And these rollers, they're not cheap because they're natural and it takes time to make them. You don't just pour plastic into a mold and blam, blam, they're done. These have to be thrown on a lathe. And all dug out. All this wood has to be dug out of these on a lathe. And then they've got to be sanded and finished, and then natural latex rubber put on the outside of them. They're really cool products. My friend PJ in Thailand makes them, and so it takes time for them to get to you as well, but they're so worth it. Okay, so I'm going to really relax right here. I'm just gonna let that sink in, and I'm gonna hold this strong and just do a really nice deep stroke. Okay, so when I did that stroke, what I also did was I went like this against it, okay? I arched in the beginning, and then I went ugh, and just stretched it against that natural rubber. So there you go. That is how you really stretch your obliques using a wood roller. Then after you get done with that, then what you want to do is like, here, I'll show you a few of these too. Oops. Okay, so stretch your leg out and then do something like this. See what I'm talking about? And stretch all those out and stretch all around, okay? So you want to stretch the sides more, then do it more of a side stretch. You want to stretch the backs more, then do more of a back stretch, okay? So thanks for joining me, and always do the massage first and the stretching second. That's why people that go and do yoga get injured, because they never do the massage first and their muscles are tight and they need to be released from the inside out first with a massage. Then the stretching, releasing the muscles from the outside in second. Thanks for joining me. Check out my products on my website, Brett's Natural Health. Give me a thumbs up and make a comment down below. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that if you're interested in a retreat of sorts, if you would like to come here to North Carolina and take a break from the world and stay in my trailer, I've got it all ready down there. It's all yours, and it's on Airbnb right now. People are going to be coming here soon. I'm so excited. But you could like take a self-massage lesson with me. You could have a holistic health consultation. You could just sit by the river and relax. And so if you're interested in that, contact me, Brett at brettsnaturalhealth.com. And yeah, thanks once again for watching my videos.